Have you ever wondered how you can achieve true peace of mind, free from stress, and improve the quality of your life? In this video, we delve into the world of meditation, a practice proven by numerous scientists and researchers to have profound effects on our well-being. We will introduce you to a highly effective form of meditation that you can incorporate into your daily routine. Not only will we explore the basics, but we will also guide you to reach the excellent level of meditation. By the end of this video, you'll have a new tool in your arsenal for tranquility and self-discovery. So let's embark on this journey together. In the previous video, it was mentioned that when you are able to control your mind in a state of meditation, reduce mental ego, and bring your mind to a state of relaxation and peace. What is the next step? Should we let go of the empty mind? What happens if we leave the mind in an empty state? Professor Danesh explained that after emptying the mind of mental desires, negative thoughts, and anything that disrupts your peace, you need to fill your mind with substitutes of the same kind of awareness and presence, so that there is no place for negativity and repetitive and tiring thoughts before, which was referred to the two initial levels of it in the previous video. Let's listen together.
The third case in meditation comes from God. People are of two kinds. Either they accept God or they do not. If they do not accept, they can use the levels we have already mentioned. If they accept God and feel it in their lives, they need to pay attention to the method God has set for communication with Himself. If you are Jewish, you should go to the synagogue. If you are Christian, you should go to the church. If you are Muslim, you should go to the mosque and pray. What prayer? A prayer that you feel you are in the presence. Well, feeling that you are in the presence may be a very difficult task, but when you want to stand for prayer, some people bring their mistakes to their eyes when they stand for prayer. This is from mental ego. Some people bring their good deeds in front of their eyes when they stand for prayer. This is also from mental ego. When you want to stand for prayer, you can only say one phrase. God, I have come. That's it. I have no description of myself and no judgment of myself, neither good nor bad. It is certain that now I am standing in front of you, while you have complete encompassment of me. And when we enter this space, this prayer feels the scent of presence in it. That is, you are in meditation. One of the best meditations is prayer. Prayer with presence. When you engage in these styles of meditation and incorporate all the levels we mentioned in comprehensive meditation into your life, you will then find signs of presence in your life. As the famous Persian poet Hafez said, "My chest became so full of the friend that my own image disappeared from my conscience." What does my own image mean? It means the mental ego. What does disappeared from my conscience mean? It means it was also erased from my subconscious. My chest became so full of the friend. Means you should fill your chest with your real friend, with God, in meditation. When He rules over your existence, you disappear. Then here, a type of meditation takes place, the meditation of presence, which is the highest and most important level of meditation.
Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. We hope that the insights shared by Professor Danesh have resonated with you and opened new pathways of understanding in your mind. As we conclude, we invite you to reflect on these teachings, to explore the depths of your own consciousness, and to embrace the transformative power of meditation and presence. Remember, the journey of self-discovery is ongoing, and every step you take brings you closer to your true self. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please subscribe and leave comments below. We value your thoughts and feedback. Stay tuned for more profound discussions, and until then, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep growing.